My name is Ratna Prabha. I am Principal Secretary, Information and Technology Department, Government of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I am very happy to say that this Advantage AP has been a very successful event. The main purpose of organizing this event is to showcase Andhra Pradesh as the most preferred IT destination, to give a chance to the Tier 2 cities and the Tier 3 cities to interact and showcase their products. And the third thing is to give an opportunity to the small and medium entrepreneurs and the startup companies to set up, exhibit the products, interact with the visitors and the delegates, and have a better business for themselves. This has been a thumping success. We were not expecting this kind of response. Nearly 240 stalls have been, exhibitors have put up their stalls, and about 1,500 delegates have already visited yesterday. We were expecting 1,000, and today being a Shivratri and a festival, we were expecting the people not to come in such large numbers, but can be seen so many people have come. And both the tracks, the HR track and the infrastructure track, parallelly the tracks are going. They are also in full attendance, and the exhibitors are also having a very good business and interaction, and it's been a very successful event. The basic idea to have this kind of an annual event is, to showcase Andhra Pradesh as a major IT destination, and at the same time it brings the industry and the IT department together. We work jointly. It's both fun and work. We enjoy in the evenings there are cultural programs and all that, and during the daytime there's a lot of interaction between various IT companies, the government departments, the central government department. It gives them an opportunity to find business at one place. It is a one-shop place for finding business, especially the small and medium entrepreneurs and the startup companies. They find it very difficult to go out and get market for themselves. So we have provided a forum for them. We have not only business from the government, but also central government. We have called people from the defense, we have called people from the railways, we have called representatives of the banks, represent the public sector, and they are going to make presentations on the opportunities in government for the SMEs. And at the same time, so many companies are put up their stalls here, and the exhibitors are here, so they are also interacting with each other. So when they are also interacting with each other, they also get some business, they get to know each other, and basically it builds confidence amongst the small and medium entrepreneurs that they are in such a huge exhibition. They can meet a lot of people, and the industry and the government, we are working together. It gives a feeling of oneness, and basically it's a get-together, annual get-together, and this is the first time we are doing it, and the response has been very good. We want to make it an annual event actually, just like Bangalore has Bangalore IT Biz and Chennai has Chennai Connect. This Advantage AP, I think, is going to be forever now. They are so happy with the response. The industry has said that this should happen every year, and we plan to have it every year.